Everybody, welcome to another episode of Sibling Rivalry, the show where we play games.
We don't just play games, we play old retro video games. What kind of intro was that?
That was the best one I could come up with at the moment.
Tim, it's the end of the recording day and he might be a little tipsy.
Yeah, this Intellivision might not work through the whole game. We'll see.
Yeah, his equipment kind of...
Hey, my equipment is fine.
His equipment...
Don't talk about my equipment.
His equipment doesn't work.
Today we're playing Intellivision Skiing. It's a really fun game. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go first. So we're going to do two skiers.
Yeah, because I've not played. He hasn't given me
Slope 1, course 1, which is downhill. All right.
He didn't give me any kind of instruction on this, and I don't get an overlay as usual.
So I hit the side button to start. I hit the disc to start. And now I can tap left and tap right.
On the disc?
On the disc to change my direction.
Okay.
And I'm ready with the side button because every now and then you have to jump.
Like that?
Yeah.
And jump. Oh, but you missed.
No, I got it. Slowed me down a lot though.
Oh, this is timed?
And it crashed. AJ, we're done.
We're done.
It's not working. You want to try it again?
You want to play a different game?
No, it's my Intellivision.
It's too hot?
I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm hoping that if I just resolder it, it will start working properly again. But resoldering is a whole hour and a couple.
Oh,
Gonna try again?
So we might only be doing the one recording. That's fine. I mean, if you want to.
I suppose we can try again.
Try it one more time.
All right.
If it does it again, then we're screwed.
All right. New intro.
Okay.
AJ, welcome to Sibling Rivalry.
Thanks, Tim. Glad to be here.
The show where me and my sister play video games for your entertainment.
Yeah. Me and my drunk brother.
A little drunk.
Today we're going to play skiing.
Intellivision Skiing.
Intellivision.
Let's get right to it because this is a fun one.
And we're not sure if the system's going to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
One. Downhill.
Okay. Go.
It hasn't crashed yet.
It only crashes when you jump. All right. For downhill, it's not very downhilly. Oh, you missed it. But that's all right.
Can't get them all. What do you mean not downhilly?
Well, it seems like it would be faster. Oh, nice jump in there, Tim.
I've played this a few times.
Have you? Seriously?
Yeah.
I've never played. This will be my first try.
And she won't work that up for all it's worth.
Oh, I will. If I lose, it's all his fault. Because he didn't let me play. I know how to work the system. Oh! Uh-oh. Did you freeze?
No.
You're not pointing downhill, though. Now you are. Oh, you tried so hard to go around that.
You can hit them. You just got to go through them, which I just did.
Okay. That was this. In a real downhill, that would have been a lot faster movement. Oh. Oh, jump! Oh. We don't see any times or anything on the screen. Do we get that at the end?
Yeah, we get it at the end.
Okay. I'm hoping I can beat you. But by the way you're playing, I don't know. It doesn't look optimistic. Finish. 1 hour and 18 minutes.
During 18 seconds. During 18 seconds.
Oh, okay. Disc.
Yep.
And then left and right.
Tap left, tap right. And the side button jumps. Bottom side button.
Okay, I'm just trying to get my bearings.
Bottom side button. top side button.
No, I did the bottom.
Yeah, try top one next time.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Try it right now.
It's bottom.
Okay.
I just didn't hit it right. This is the slowest skiing I've ever done in my life.
You're playing it safe. Wow, you're doing really good though.
Am I? I feel like
I think you're doing better than me.
I think I'm going super slow. This is like molasses in a winter day.
Well, it is winter on the Intellivision. You can get up to higher speeds. It's just...
You don't mess up.
Yeah, if you don't mess up.
Oh!
Someone has momentum. Someone missed one.
I was doing. No. That way.
Someone was going backwards.
I was.
I'm upset at how quickly you're picking this up.
I still don't think I'm going to beat you.
Do you lose time each time you miss a gate?
I don't know. There's no score showing. Did you know what your score was?
It'll tell us in a second.
That was intense.
Okay, so this is heat number 2. My best is 118. Your best is 157.
Oh, shit. That was bad. I probably lost time for missing that one, is my guess. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Tim's already starting off strong. Jump. Not only did I miss one, but I also missed a jump. I remember I ran straight over it. Oh, yeah. Jump again. Nice. Tim, you're doing really good.
I'm concentrating.
Oh. Well, Tim won. We'll call it good. Call it the end of the game.
Intellivision hardware problems.
Oh, wait, we can't end that.
What do you mean?
We could have stopped the game and done an outro.
You want to do an outro?
Yeah.
All right, but we have to talk about how my Intellivision crashed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, the Intellivision crashed.
Yeah. That blackness, that was a crash. We don't know why. We might have to buy a new Intellivision.
No, I think it's the soldering job that I did hooking up the RGB to HDMI. I think I need to do a little bit better.
All right. But to be fair, Tim won the first round. Fair and square.
Yeah, you got a good idea of what the game was like.
We're going to call... He's upset.
Oh, I want my Intellivision to work.
And I'm okay with it because shit happens. He'll fix it. It'll be fine by the next round. In the meantime, rate the game, Tim, other than the crash.
Intellivision Skiing, I rate 500 million stars because I love it. It's a really good game.
I'm gonna rate it 5 pine cones. It was okay. It was okay. For me, the downhill slowness, like, it should be a faster game, like, just in general. And it was really slow and sluggish, so I'm going to count that as not so great. So 5 pine cones.
I blame her playing.
No, it wasn't. I played good.
Well, I hope everybody likes and subscribes.
Thanks for joining us. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Shit happens, man. Whatever.
Are we gonna
Have
post
a
this?
drink. Have a drink.
Are we gonna post this?
We don't even know if this will air.
We don't.
The short might air because it's funny shit.
Maybe.
But maybe the real game will never air and you'll all wonder what the hell happened. We don't know.
Nope. Save this one for another time.
Thanks for joining us again and have a great weekend. And we'll see you on the next round.
Bye.